Are you an introvert seeking a fulfilling career that fits your personality and allows you to work from the comfort of your own home? Look no further, we've compiled a list of top 5 remote jobs that are perfect for those who thrive in quieter, more independent settings. So first of all you have to do is open your browser. Here we have 5 job at home. First of all we have Promos, then we have Perfection, Survey Time, we have Metro Opinion, and we have Appen. So about the first one we have Promos. This is the home page. Here we have various information, like you can select the language you want, click over the one you want to more understand. Have blog, help center, contact, support, join the community, and then we have earn money, make an impact. Share your knowledge and insights to help businesses and communities make better decisions. So how it works? First of all you have to do is create an account, download your app on iOS or Android for free, and create an account using your email address to join the Promise contributor community. Then explore our tasks, browse our task marketplace, and select the activities of your choice to complete within minutes. Then finally you get paid. Choose the option to be paid instantly via PayPal, Payoneer, or Bitcoin depending on the payment methods available in your country. So this is how it works on Promos. So all you have to do is sign up and get money on make money on Promos. Then the second one we have Fairfiction. As you can see, this is the home page. We have here various information, like we have here phone number if you wanna ask about something or if you have a problem. We have here our services, our UX methods, customers, resources, about us, and finally we have login if you wanna find your account. Then here we have UX research consulting for your research and user testing anywhere in the world. Then you have your UX research and a few days qualitative or quantitative study with support according to your needs. Here we have also download our latest white papers, user experience, benchmark studies, e-commerce, user testing, or UX design. And here we have also our full demo on video. Go directly to platform of review, user feedback, analysis, UX recommendation. And here we have our UX research and testing methodologies. First of all, we have individual interview, focus group, quantitative survey, and remote user test. Then you have using remote testing via our user research platform. You can listen to your users anywhere in the world and other information, so you can just read it to more understand. Then the third one we have survey time. As you can see, this is the home page. First of all, if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over. If you want to Google, if you want to link with Facebook also, and also we have email. So you write your email and your password and then you sign up. But before that, we have to know other information about survey time, how it works, benefits. So first of all, how does survey time work? If you are looking to make money online through paid surveys, then you are reached the right place. The process is as simple as can be. Sign up for survey time for free, then tell us about yourself by taking a short introductory survey, and finally start earning cash for surveys. For each survey you complete, you get an instant money reward. So here we have also benefits of survey. First of all, low withdrawal threshold, never miss a new survey, choose your reward, survey time is global, honest rebate amount, and surveys for you. So survey where you take free paid surveys and earn money for each one you successfully complete. So all I have to do is click over here and start now, and click over sign up and start making money with survey time. Then the third one we have Metro Opinion, as you can see. So first of all I have to do is choose your country. We have various country here, as you can see. Let's scroll down to know the countries. First of all we have Europe, Oceania, Africa, Asia, and we have also North of America and South of America. Then paid surveys earn money online. Work from home, get up to $5 for each survey, and it's also safe and easy payment. So how to earn with paid surveys in 3 easy steps. First of all, you sign up, then you answer, then you get paid. Payment for surveys is easy. Understand the payment options. First of all, we have PayPal and Vochi donations also. Then we have here various questions like how to earn money on surveys. You can just read the answer and know more about this website. So if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over sign up here and get started with Metro Opinion. The last one here we have Appen. As you can see, first of all, here we have make data your differentiator. So Appen has been providing high quality data sets that power the world's leading AI models for decades. Our end-to-end platform, flexible services and deep expertise ensure the delivery of the high-quality, diverse data that is crucial for building foundation models and enterprise-ready AI application. So first of all, here we have some information about Appen. First of all, Appen improves model performance through human AI collaboration. Then Appen supports the AI life cycle. As you can see, this is the cycle. We have first create the right data, prepare usable training data, develop and deploy your models, and finally evaluate model performance. So why choose Appen? First, we have expertise, then scale, then quality, and flexibility and innovation. So high quality data at scale, discover how Appen accelerates the development of your AI application. You can just click over here and schedule a demo. So embracing work from home opportunities can be a game changer, especially for introverts seeking a peaceful, independent work environment. By exploring careers in freelance writing, graphic design, software development, virtual assistants, and online. So by exploring careers in freelance writing, graphic design, software development, virtual assistants, and online tutoring, you can unlock your earning potential without sacrificing your comfort. These jobs not only offer flexibility and independence, but also provide excellent financial rewards. Take the first step towards a fulfilling and profitable remote career today and transform your work-life balance for the better. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.